learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hakka people have specific traditions when babies are born. When a baby boy is 3 days old, the family elders offer sesame oil chicken cooked with rice wine and sticky rice to their ancestors, as well as the bed god, to pray for blessings for the child. They will also place a large round rock under the baby's bed in hopes that the boy will be strong and solid like a rock.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's go ahead and learn more about the Hakka culture. And perhaps during certain milestones in life, they have special traditions and ceremonies. 比如说，我觉得人生的一开始就是出生啊，对不对？
生孩子，
生孩子，这叫什么？
用赖就是生儿子。
用赖 Okay, that means having a baby boy, all right? Yes, when you have a baby in your family, I'm sure there are going to be some traditions and ceremonies that you do. 有没有什么样的这样子的礼数？
因为以前的那个医药比较不发达嘛，所以当那个小孩子生出来之后啊，可能在家里经过了3天，我们有一个名词叫做三周之礼。
三周之礼，
就是3天都是平平安安的。然后那时候呢，家里的人就很高兴啊，所以就会准备给酒，
鸡酒，
对，鸡酒，要祭拜家里的祖先，然后顺便也请大家来吃这个给酒。
OK， 这叫三周之礼，就是三朝之礼了，对不对？
对，
就是过了3天安稳了那样子。Okay, this is very interesting. This is a tradition in the Hakka culture when they have a baby boy, and after that boy has been born for 3 days, if everything goes well and smooth, they have a ceremony where they actually treat relatives and close friends with chicken wine to signify that everything is going to be well. 所以除了这个三朝之礼之外呢，还有没有什么别的习俗呢？
还有就是我们会把小孩带到庙里头去，然后有求签，带签，
这是签吗？
不是签呐，
不是签啊，那签是什么？
签就是护身符。
lucky charm, OK， 护身符。然后带着它，
就带着那个签那个神明就会保佑这个小孩子。然后一直到了16岁的时候呢，我们又把小孩带到庙里头去，要给他脱签。就像是一个成年礼成年礼，对
，16岁的时候，
对，16岁的时候。
So this is an interesting tradition associated with having a newborn baby as well. They take the baby to the temple to ask for a lucky charm, and the child would carry this lucky charm all the way until he or she is 16 years old, and then they'll go through a grown-up ceremony and burn the lucky charm to signify that this child has grown up already. So that's the life of a Hakka. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.